Welcome to Module 3 of our comprehensive cybersecurity course. In this module, we'll explore cybersecurity fundamentals and best practices to keep your digital life secure. Let's get started. Your password is your first line of defense against cyber threats, but weak passwords make it easy for hackers to break in. Let's learn how to create strong passwords and enhance security with multi-factor authentication. A weak password can be cracked within seconds using brute force attacks. Best practices for strong passwords include using at least 12 to 16 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common passwords like 123456 or password. Never reuse passwords across multiple sites. Use a password manager to store complex passwords securely. For example, a weak password-like can be easily cracked, whereas a strong password-like is much more secure. Even strong passwords can be stolen. That's why multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security. There are several types of multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to enhance your security. First, we have SMS-based codes, where a one-time password, or OTP, is sent via text message. Then there are authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, which generate temporary codes. Next, biometric authentication uses your fingerprint or facial recognition. Lastly, we have hardware security keys, such as YubiKey, which offer advanced protection. Always enable MFA on your email, banking, and social media accounts. Cybercriminals use deceptive tactics to steal your information while browsing or through email scams. Let's learn how to stay safe online. When it comes to safe browsing, always check website security by looking for HTTPS in the URL. Avoid clicking on unknown links. Hover over them to see the actual URL before clicking. Use a secure browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, as they offer better security features. Enabling private browsing and do not track reduces tracking by advertisers and hackers. And of course, beware of pop-ups and fake downloads. Never download files from untrusted sources. Phishing emails trick users into giving away sensitive information. Here's how to identify and avoid them. Always verify emails directly with the company before clicking any links. Outdated software is a hacker's best friend. Cybercriminals exploit security flaws in old software versions. That's why updates and patches are critical. Never ignore software updates. They are your digital security shields. Firewalls and antivirus software act as barriers against cyber threats. Let's understand how they work and why they are essential. Always keep your firewall and antivirus updated for maximum protection. Now let's put our knowledge into action by setting up a firewall and adjusting security settings. Great job! These simple actions will significantly improve your cybersecurity. Stay safe online and see you in the next module.